District and Sessions Court North Goa has reserved its order on the anticipatory bail plea of Congress leader Jitendra Deshprabhu for 9th November. Deshprabhu has not only pleaded for an anticipatory bail but has also challenged the legality of new FIR registered against him related with Koregaon illegal mining case.
After concluding the arguments in Koregaon illegal mining case, District and Session Court at Panjim has reserved its order on the anticipatory bail application of Congress leader Jitendra Deshprabhu for Friday. During the argument for his anticipatory bail, Jitendra Deshprabhu also challenged the legality of FIR registered against him in the connection of missing file from mining department. He argued that one FIR is already registered against him in the original case of illegal mining from a property owned by him in Koregaon, and the High Court of Bombay at Goa has granted regular bail in the matter. Just because some file missed from the mining department, he can't be held responsible for it. Second FIR in the same matter is invalid as per law. The trial court has also reserved the order on anticipatory bail plea filed by the suspended Director of State Mines and Geology Arvind Loliekar and Senior Technical Officer Hector Fernandez. It will be passed on the same day. During the arguments, Loliekar said that the missing file was containing just the copies of show cause notices issued to Deshprabhu. But intervener Kashinath Shetty has alleged that the missing file was containing documents related with trade licenses granted by the Mines Department to Deshprabhu even after unearthing the illegal mining scam.
After hearing the matter, District and Session Court has reserved its order on the anticipatory bail of Jitendra Deshprabhu for the 9th November. But the bigger question is that the second FIR or the new FIR is maintainable under law or not. With the video journalist Prajot, I am Mukesh Kumar for Prudent Media, Panaji.
Vice Chairman of the ESG Vishnu Wagh flagged off the EFI Roadshow vehicle on Wednesday. Goa will celebrate 100 years of Indian cinema at the 43rd EFI to be held in Goa from 20th to 30th November. This vehicle will travel all over Goa to test the general knowledge of the public about EFI.
The 43rd edition of the International Film Festival of India 2012 will be starting from 20th November till the 30th November. As a prelude to the EFI fever that's been mounting all over Goa, we will be launching this roadshow today with the help of 92.7 Big FM. The ESG is very happy to give a welcome to this roadshow. The roadshow will travel all over Goa. The team of 92.7 Big FM will be meeting the people, will be chatting with them. They will also judge what is the general knowledge the local people have about EFI. We will try to create a momentum about the International Film Festival of India, and I hope they will do a very good job, and by the time they come back, the EFI fever will be spread all over the state.
Travel and Tourism Association of Goa has demanded visa on arrival facility in Goa as soon as possible. Addressing a media conference, TTAG said that hotel industry in Goa is facing profit margin problem and demanded reduction in electricity tariff for the hotels.
Tourism season has started in Goa, but the hoteliers in the state are worried over reduced profit margins. Addressing a media conference on Wednesday, Travel and Tourism Association Goa President Francisco Braganza said that hotel tariffs are almost same as last year, but rise in electricity tariffs, introduction of service tax and rise in labor costs has reduced the profit margin. Government should reduce the electricity tariff. Though the number of chartered flights have increased this season, quality or high-end tourists are not coming to Goa. TTAG claims that visa on arrival facility is a must to attract high-end tourists. TTAG demands to reduce electricity tariffs for hotels, start visa on arrival facility in Goa.
Major metro cities of India, in respect of certain countries, they have allowed them to have visa on arrival. We have been demanding for quite some time that Goa as well should be given this facility. I believe Kerala is already getting it ahead of Goa. We do much more foreign tourists in Goa. We are a premier tourism destination internationally. We need to be granted this facility.
Braganza said that Goa has become a low-end tourist destination, but to survive in the tourism market, it's necessary to attract high-end tourists. State should have facilities like golf course, marinas and convention centers in the state, and the stakeholders from the tourism industry needs government's backing. With video journalist Prajot, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.